Hey there! Have you ever stopped to think about what's going on inside your body right this second? It's like this whole world of super-powered systems all working together. Today, we're going to take a tour of that amazing team. So let's jump right in. Just think about it. What if you could actually shrink down, like super tiny, and take a tour of everything happening inside you? Wouldn't that be cool? Well, guess what? That is exactly what we're about to do. Get ready!
Okay, so first things first, your body is made up of all these different parts, and every single one has a very special job. We call these parts organs, but you can just think of them as members of an incredible super team.
Now, this team is kind of split into two groups. You've got the players you can see on the outside, the ones you can actually touch. We call those your external organs. But then you have the secret agents, the ones working deep inside that you can't see, and those are your internal organs. I bet you know the external team really, really well. I mean, we're talking about your eyes, your ears, your nose, all the parts you use every single day to see and hear and experience the world. They're basically your body's way of saying hello to everything out there.
Okay, but this is where the tour gets really cool. We are now officially going inside to meet those hidden team members. These are the internal organs, the ones doing all the heavy lifting to keep you going.
All right, first stop on our internal tour, we're checking out the system that gives your whole body its shape. You know, the reason you're not just a puddle on the floor. It's what lets you move, jump, and play. It's your body's incredible framework. And check this out. A grown-up's body has 206 bones. Can you believe that? All of them together make up your skeleton. So, the skeletal system, it's kind of like the wooden frame of a house. It holds everything up, gives you your unique shape, and protects all the other important organs inside. Yeah, a super important job. But here's the thing. Bones can't move all by themselves. Nope. They need a partner in crime, and that's where muscles come in. You have over 600 muscles attached to those bones. That is a whole lot of power. So that's the muscular system. It's the engine behind every single thing you do. When you run, when you jump, even when you smile or just blink your eyes, that's your muscles making that amazing framework move. Okay, let's keep this tour moving. Our next stop is the headquarters, the main office, the part of your body that's the boss of everything. Yep, we're heading to the control center. And this control center is called the nervous system. You can think of it as the captain of the whole team. It controls, well, literally everything. Everything you do, everything you think, and everything you feel. It's all run from here. So this control team has three main superstars. First, you've got the brain. That's the supercomputer, the big boss. Then there's the spinal cord and all these tiny things called nerves. The nerves are like little messenger cables that shoot out from the brain, carrying signals to tell every other part of your body exactly what it needs to do. All right, onward we go. Our next stop looks like a giant, busy highway system that runs through your entire body. This is the delivery service, making sure everyone gets what they need. This system is called the circulatory system, and it is seriously like the ultimate nonstop delivery service. Its job is to use your blood to carry all the good stuff, like the oxygen you breathe in and nutrients from your food, to every single tiny part of your body. The team here is made up of the heart, the blood itself, and all the blood vessels, which are just like roads and highways. And the heart, well, the heart is this incredibly powerful pump that just never, ever stops. It's constantly pushing that blood all through your body, making sure those important deliveries get there on time. Okay, we're coming up on our last stop of the tour. This is a really important one. It's where your body gets all its power, all its energy to run and play and even learn. Welcome to the fuel station. This place is called the digestive system, and its job is, well, it's pretty amazing. It takes the food you eat, say a sandwich or a banana, and it breaks it all down, turning it into pure energy that your body can use. That's how you get the fuel to do, well, everything. So where does your food go? It's a whole journey. It starts in your mouth, then it travels down to your stomach, and after that, it moves into your intestines. All along that path, it's getting broken down into tiny little bits of fuel. Then, anything your body doesn't need just gets, well, it gets kicked out. And just like that, our tour is over. But the most important part is seeing how all these different stops, all these different systems work together, because they are absolutely one amazing team. So here's the main idea to remember. A single part, like your heart, is an organ. But when you get a whole bunch of organs, like the heart and the blood vessels, all working together on the same big mission, they form what's called an organ system. See? It really is all about teamwork. So, let's do a super quick roll call of the amazing team we just met. We saw the framework, your bones and muscles that give you shape. We visited the control center, your nervous system that's in charge of everything. We checked out the delivery service, the circulatory system, bringing all the good stuff. And we stopped at the fuel station, your digestive system, making all that energy. But you know what the most incredible part of all of this is? All of those systems, they are all working together perfectly right this very second. And you don't even have to think about it. It's like the best coordinated team ever, working 24/7 to keep you strong, healthy, and alive. So next time you run or laugh or even just think, remember that you've got this unbelievable super team working inside you. And that leaves just one question. With all that power at your fingertips, what amazing thing are you going to do today? Thanks so much for joining me on this tour.